Here is a question on general organic chemistry. Read the question carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Acidity of CH bonds in hydrocarbons depends on the stability of the conjugate base, carbanion, formed upon deprotonation. Greater stabilization of the carbanion means higher acidity. Moving on to the next step. A. 1-methylindane, fully saturated 5-membered ring fused to benzene, the acidic proton would be at a benzylic sp3 carbon. Benzylic carbanions are stabilized by resonance with the aromatic ring. B. The structure in B appears to be 3-methyl-1H-indene or a related compound where the methyl-bearing carbon is allylic and benzylic with conjugation into a cyclopentadenyl tight system. Specifically, B shows a partially saturated 6-membered ring fused to a cyclopentadiene ring with a methyl group. The methyl CH is at a position where deprotonation gives a carbanion that is both allylic and benzylic, and importantly can delocalize into an extended conjugated system approaching cyclopentadenyl anion character. C. Exocyclic methylene compound. The is equal to CH2 protons are vinylic, which are less acidic than benzylic. D. 1-methylindene type with aromatic ring, benzylic allylic stabilization similar to A, but slightly different connectivity. Moving on to the next step. Key reasoning for B being most acidic. In structure, B, the methyl group is attached to a carbon that is part of a conjugated diene system within the 5-membered ring that is fused to a partially unsaturated 6-membered ring. Deprotonation of the methyl group yields a carbanion that is stabilized by extensive conjugation. The resulting anion has cyclopentadenyl-like character with delocalization across multiple double bonds in both rings. This provides significantly greater stabilization than simple benzylic stabilization seen in A or D. And for the final step. A. Only benzylic stabilization from one aromatic ring, sp3CH at ring junction is benzylic but less stabilized than B. C. Vinylic ioxomethylene protons are generally less acidic than benzylic positions, no special carbanion stabilization. D. The methyl-bearing carbon in D is at a non-conjugated position relative to the double bond in the 5-membered ring, giving less carbanion stabilization than B. Structure. B provides the most stabilized conjugate base upon deprotonation of the methyl group due to extended conjugation and near-aromatic, cyclopentadenyl anion-like stabilization, making it the most acidic hydrocarbon among the 4 isomers. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.